Hi, hello guys. Welcome to Silver Superstar. Today we are learning about some queries regarding the SQL for data analyst day 2. Here we are solving some questions based on we are creating a data set. Okay, I will share you my screen. Yeah, on this one. I think my screen is visible. Yeah, coming to the today SQL day 2. Here I had created a data set. I will explain you. Yeah, this is the data set I had created. Create database name is product DB. When I had created a database, I'm using that data name, like product DB is my database name, right? I had used the query is also run. It's showing that in database, I had created a table regarding the table name is products. Create table products. I had used in that the product ID. Product ID is integer and it's primary key. Primary key means there is no null values in that one. It is one of the unique unique characters, unique characters. After that, I had used product name. Product name is a character, so I had used varchar. The limit is 255 characters nearly. After that, I had used category. The which category is from that product. After that, I had used varchar 255. Coming to the price, price is integer, and also stock, stock is integer. Okay. I had created this table. I had run also. After that, I had inserted values into products. While I want to insert some values in that product table, I had used insert into products, the product ID, and also to coming to product name, category, there is stock. I had placed these all things while here, insert into products, these all things. After that, I had mentioned values. After that, coming to that, I had two parentheses. After that, like product ID is one and product name is laptop. Category is it belongs to electronics and price is 1000. Stock is 50. 50 stocks are available. So like that, I had mentioned some values are here randomly. Okay, these are all inserted values into products table. After that, I had created another table is name is sales. The sales ID is also integer primary key. There is no unique value. There is no like or duplicate values. It should the sales ID is the unique values. After that, add use product ID. Product ID is also in. After that, sales date. Sales date must be regarding the data type of date. Okay. Quantity isn't. Total amount isn't. Foreign key. Foreign key of product ID. References of products of product ID means foreign key means like it's a reference of primary key. When we want to use product ID, it will help us in another. When we want to use the same the product ID from product tables, right? When we want to use this ID in another table also, so it will helpful for us. It will take a reference from that there. Okay, product table. After that, same here also I had mentioned inserted. I had inserted values into sales table. After that, this is the product table, product IDs, and these are the product names, and these are all the categories, and these are all the price stocks of products. Coming to the sales are sales ID. The product ID, what we like here, we had used that foreign key product ID reference from product ID, same product ID. After that, here we had inserted sales table. This is the sales table. This is the quantity. This is the total amount of the sales. Okay. Here we are doing some activities. So, okay. There is a question like the question is they are asking is the total quantity sold for each product. Okay. Like they are explain they are asking I want the total quantity which was sold for each product. Okay. He is asking total quantity. So here I had seen like for each product is asking. So I had took product name, select product name. Mm, I will take product ID also. Product ID. Sales for quantity for each product is asking. Okay. Yeah. For total quantity, I'm using sum. I learned that aggregative functions. Okay. Sum of quantity. Here I am giving a surname for sum of quantity as total quantity. Okay. Here I am using now from which table we had extracted. Okay. I'm using products. Here I'm giving a surname as P. Okay. P dot product ID. P dot product name. Sum of quantity, right? It's from sales table. Okay. Here I'm joining this table to sales table. Like when we join means like the joining is help us like based on the same IDs. The simple meaning of that thing I will explain briefly in another time also. Okay. Coming to the this query from products P, and also I want to join sales table. I am giving a surname yes. Okay. Here we use on when we want to display. Like when we want to join, we use on. Okay. Here I am using on P dot product ID equal to S dot product ID. It's asking for each product, right? When they are asking for each product, we use group by product ID, product name. Mm. Yeah, these are all the product ID. This is the total quantity of sales. Okay, total quantity sold. Here we can do this also. Like I will show you. No product means mm, nothing. Mm. This is the query we are done regarding this one, first one. Next question is they are asking find the average price of product in each category. Find the average price of products in each category. They are asking for in each category. Okay. Visual interchange for manual select right. Whatever. Oh, sorry. Here I'm using select star from products. Okay, find the average price of products in each category. Okay, select products, product name, category, and average of price. Oh, so also it's right. Group by product name. Select list in a group by clause contain, which is not functional dependent on columns group by. Okay, this is the output. The electronics has contained 766.667. That's the average price. Coming to the accessories, the accessories average price is 75.000. Okay, this is the second thing. Coming to the list all products that have not been sold. Okay, list all products that have not been sold. We need to select list all from products. Is asking list all products. So select all from products where product ID not in of select distinct of product ID from sales. Yeah. Here they are asking list all products that have not been sold that have not been sold. Like they are asking, I want to see all products which are not been sold, like which are not sold. Okay, here we have product and sales tables, right? So here, here they are asking list all products that have not been sold. Okay, here the products. There is a product ID. Okay, and in sales also, there is a product ID. In sales also there is a product ID, right? So here they have what are they asking? Like that have not been sold. This is the sales table, right? Like which are product ID is not in sales table, those are all not sold. Okay, that's the meaning of that the question. So here I'm using select star from products. I want to display all products where product ID not in sales table. Which product ID is not in sales table? So select distinct of product ID from sales. Okay, those are all the not sold products. Okay, there is nothing, there is no product ID in sales table, like which are not in sales table, right? So this is the answer. There is the null. Okay, all are sold. Coming to the next query. Here they are asking find the highest and lowest price products. Find the highest and lowest price products, right? Okay, here I am using select product name, price from products where, not where. Okay, I will use like this. Order by price DESC where limit one. I want to display only one. That time we will use. Okay, this is the highest price. Or else we can use like this. Max of price. Group by function. It's asking. Okay, I will do group. The laptop is the max price. Okay. So coming to the, it will be, yeah, here. mm, Yeah, this is the highest price. Okay. Coming to the next lowest, right? When they are asking lowest also, we can use this one like this one only. Product name. Here I'm using ascending lowest price for lowest price. This is the lowest price of this product table. That is the 50. Okay. Cal and the last and final question is calculate the total revenue generated for each product. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, they are asking calculate the total revenue generated for. So what are the total revenue generated for each product? I want to see the meaning of that question. Okay. Mm, Total revenue they are asking. Mm, Total amount in sales table. Select product ID, comma, product name, comma, sum of total amount. Calculate the asking calculate the total revenue generated for each product. So here I'm using the product ID, product name, sum of total amount from products SP. Okay, I want to join sales as S on P dot product ID equal to S dot product ID. Here I'm using group by product ID, product name. Uh, Product ID is MACSR. Oh, sorry. P dot P dot yeah, S dot. Here it is. Yeah, these are all the total revenue generated for each product. The laptop has generated 5,000 revenue. Smartphone has generated 8,000 revenue. Tablet has revenue. Okay. Here we can give surname also as total revenue. Here you can see the column name is also changed. Okay. Coming to the today, we had learned we had already created a database which was name called a product DB. In that, there's the details of there are two tables. One is product table, another one is sales table. We had inserted the values also. Coming to the there is a questions which was starting point. So coming to the first question, list the total quantity sold for each. Where they are asking like I want to see the total quantity of products which was sold. Okay, this is the solution for that one. Coming to the another question, find the average price of products in each category. So they are asking, I want to see the average price of products in each category. Okay, this is the query for that one. Coming to the another one, list all products that have not been sold. Like they are asking, like I want to see the all products which are not be sold. For that one, we had used like we need to think like little bit trickily. So here I had used select star from products where product ID which was not in sales table. So those are all the not sold. Okay. Coming to the another thing, like they are asking another question, find the highest and lowest prices. They are asking find the highest and lowest prices. For that one, we can use min max also. So I had used before that one, like it will be used for like while we are working in companies also, it will be used for. So select product name and price from products. So and also like I had selected statement product name and also price from products. After that, I had order by price in descending format. Where limit one is means like what you I want to display only one row. For that one, we use limit. Okay, this is the highest when we want to see the highest price. When we want to see the lowest price. Okay. Coming to the next question, like here they are asking calculate the total revenue generated for each product. For that one, like if we want to see the total revenue which was generated for each product, okay, how much revenue generated for each product I want to see. Okay, for that one, here we have selected product ID, product name, sum of total amounts. There's a total amount in the sales column or sales table. Okay, so I want to see the which product ID, which product name, how much revenue generated. Okay, for that one, here I had used. After that, I had joined sales table and product ID. This is the product ID, and this is the product. I'm joining two tables based on the same ID, same column, same ID. Okay. Here after that, I'm using group by. While we are doing aggregate functions, we need to use group by. Okay. This is the total return channel. These are all the things we have learned day two. Okay. Thank you.